Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding COSC. It stands for Chiefs of Staff Committee. What do you mean by this? You please look at our Indian Defense Forces. We have Army, Air Force, and Navy, and each one has got its own chief, and these three chiefs are the members in the COSC. And among these three, the senior most will be appointed as the chairman. Now this is very much there in the news because of the sudden and unfortunate death of the first CDS, Chief of Defence Staff of India, General Bipin Rawat. There is no necessity of any special introduction regarding General Bipin Rawat, considered to be one of the extraordinary and magnanimous personalities with respect to Indian Defence Forces. So, with respect to General Bipin Rawat, with respect to General Bipin Rawat, one question will be there every time in future. Please remember this one. General Bipin Rawat was appointed as the first CDS of India. So in future, India will be, looking at, many CDS in future. But as far as, a GK question is concerned, General Bipin Rawat will be there every time. And the question will be like this: who of the following was the first CDS of India? And your answer should be General Bipin Rawat. Regarding this, I have information and I am going to show you that information now. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. Our topic is COSC, Chiefs of Staff Committee. So whenever I say chiefs, these are the chiefs of the Army, Air Force, and Navy. Look at this. Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravane. Kindly remember this name, very, very important one. And probably this great personality is going to be appointed as the next CDS of India. That is Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravane. And he has been appointed as the chairman of the powerful COSC. So another possible question here: who is the chairman of the Chiefs of Army Staff Committee? Chiefs of the Staff Committee, and your answer should be General M.M. Naravane. Clear? And please remember, COSC is comprising of the three service chiefs, right? And after some time, I am going to show you the names of those great personalities. Please follow me carefully. This happened days after the country lost its first CDS, General Bipin Rawat. In the beginning, I told you this name will be there every time as a part of GK. Kindly remember this now and also the examinations in future. Who is the first CDS of India? And it is General Bipin Rawat. And unfortunately, we lost him in a fatal IAF helicopter crash. Right? Next, Indian Army Chief General Naravane has been appointed as the COSC. That point we have already seen. Look at this. General Naravane assumed the charge as the chairman of COSC amid the speculations that he would be made the new CDS of India. Please look at this very carefully. The post of COSC chairman, it is comprising the heads of the chiefs of three services: Army, Navy, and Air Force. And it fell vacant after untimely demise of the CDS, General Bipin Rawat, and this unfortunate crash unfortunate incident occurred on December 8th, 2021. And every Indian has followed this news. It was really very unfortunate incident. And India lost, the great lives here. Look at this. General Narabane was given the charge of COSC as he is the senior most among the three service chiefs, a factor that has strengthened his claim to be the next CDS. Please remember this one. When you have the chiefs of Army, Navy, and Air Force, out of these three, one will be appointed as the chairman of the COSC, right? And who is that? That is the senior most among these three. Currently, General M.M. Narabane is the senior most among these three. That is the reason why he has been appointed as the chairman of COSC. And also look at this. Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal. Please remember the name. It is V.R. Chowdhury. Right? Air Chief Marshal is V.R. Chowdhury and Navy Chief Admiral is R. Harikumar. They had taken over their respective positions on September 30th, 2021 and November 30th, 2021. Please remember this. That is the reason why Army Chief General M.M. Narabane is the senior most among these three, and that particular qualification made him to be appointed as the chairman of the COSC. Please remember this. Clear? And last point, before the creation of the post of CDS, the senior most among the three service chiefs used to be the chairman of the COSC. So this is one of the very important topics we have discussed. Kindly remember each point and names of all the three chiefs and the name of the chairman of COSC, and please remember the name of the first CDS of India. Every point is important for the examination. Thank you so much for being with me this evening, and I'll see you in the next session. Take very good care.